Hi guys, it's Olga with you. Welcome to my channel, and today we will talk with you about my new bag. It's from MIU MIU. It's my first bag from this brand, and I will show you the review and what fits in it. So here in this dust bag there is a bag which I just purchased several days ago in the sales. You can check my previous video about what I bought in the sales here in Stockholm while it was it's June sales. So this bag I bought with 50% discount. It's a small bag, MIU MIU Matellise. Tell me how I need to pronounce it. I never had bags from MIU MIU before, and when I saw it closely I just fell in love with it. I already seen it, of course, in bloggers and on online, but not in the stores before. And we don't have a MIU MIU store in Sweden, in Stockholm, but when I just took it to my hands I fell in love with it. As you know, the owner of MIU MIU is Prada, and that's why I must say to you that the quality is just marvelous. First, what I want to say, that this bag is really light. It's like like nothing. I don't feel it at all. The chain is really light, but when I keep it like that, yes, I feel a little bit, but it's not so heavy. And the skin is really soft. You can look closer. This MIU MIU pattern, the pattern of the brand, like wrinkled, it's just amazing. I've seen it before in the pictures. It looks wonderful, and I thought that yes, I want it, and now I got it after some time. Here on the back side we have the logo MIU MIU, the golden ones, the golden chain, which is really small and not so big, and I can easily fit it inside. In the front of the bag is this big crystal buckle. I really like it. My followers know that I'm a fan of Manolo Blahnik shoes with the crystal buckle, so this actually will fit together with them. But also I'm not this person who need to fit everything to everything or something. I work as a stylist and I help other people to style things, and the one thing that I want to tell you here is that this kind of things, which are kind of fancy, you can just style with everything. If you will style it with some pumps, high heels, and other crystals on your shoes, or like some nice dress, it will be evening like variant. And if you will style it with some even jeans, even some normal t-shirt with some flip-flops, you can have it during a daytime. You can walk with it in summer, no problem. Like it's nowadays you can dress wherever you want from the morning, if it is shiny or small or even smaller bags. It's a big topic. Probably not everything I can fit in one video, so more tips you will see probably in my Instagram. I can show you how I will style it. So subscribe, I will put somewhere here my name, and you will see how I will style it in this summer. So I must tell you guys that it's really soft and pleasant to touch. It's really light, and we will see what can fit inside. For now, here I still have some papers, like I bought it because I didn't use it yet. I will take away the paper. So here inside we can see one pocket. I have some papers here. It's just a small note, and here I have, in this small cute envelope, I have a card. This is the identification card of MIU MIU. Here is the article number and the name. It's Matelasse, and the color orchidee. By the way, it's a wonderful color. It's like pink, but it's not baby pink, it's not Barbie pink or too much pink. It's a little bit dusty, but it's not too much dusty, how I must say, because sometimes you see that the pink becomes almost like a gray. This pink is just perfect, I think, for like me, for somebody who need to grown up finally. The price of the bag is from 50% discount. It costed about 1,300 euros, so I bought it for the half price, 625 euros or something like that. It's really small and cute, but you can see that it's really soft and you can put a lot of stuff here, I think. I didn't try yet, but I will try it now with you. But I wanted something smaller, like a clutch or just a crossbody bag, to use it like when I just want to go to some restaurant, or just to go out somewhere, or I don't know, to the movies, which I need something small, or in the summer this light color will be just perfect. I can also use it for different occasions, weddings if I want. Yeah, just I can't see how can I not use it. It just, probably I can use it like every day. Do you think that it's possible to dress it on this side also? So, okay, and we will try to fit there something. My telephone goes inside. Goes inside quite easily, you see? It's just perfect size for my telephone and I can move it. So then I will put my wallet. The wallet with my cards. Card holder, it's actually the same color. I didn't see it before, now I see. You see? It's so cute. I will put it also here, like that. I can put it actually like this way, so it's possible to close it. Then I will put maybe my visit cards I have, but sometimes I don't take the card holder because it's metal. I don't want it to scratch something inside of the bag, some other items, telephone, or I don't know, the bag inside. I can just take some of my cards and put them inside like it is, or with this, so it's no matter. I can just, for example, put my visit card in this wallet, which is here. I will do it like that. I will hide it there. But it's not necessary to take it actually. Probably, most likely, I will just put some cards in it. Then I still have space. Look how much space I have. So I will put there my powder. It's from Smashbox, my favorite. I already told it in my other videos about another bag, how I like it. So I put it here, like that. I will probably find the place to find for the place for a lipstick. Here it goes, a lipstick, and a pencil, because I always use pencil for my lips. Like, if I put it like this, it's too high, so it needs to be deepen inside. Okay, I will probably leave it on the top for now. Yeah, that's better. And probably I can also fit my small hairbrush. I always take it with me, no matter big bag or small bag, because I don't think that I need something bigger in big bags. It's enough for me of this. So it starts to be quite full, you see. And the last thing that I probably can fit here is my earphones. I can't live without them. I need them every day with me. I always use them when I am in transport or something. So probably I can just fit them on the top. Okay. So I closed it, I locked it, and it's quite full, you see. But even if it's full inside, you can't see it so much. It still keeps a good form, no problems. It's became a little bit more heavy, but I got a lot of stuff actually to this small bag. Look, it's so really small. Yes, I will show you now how it looks when I try it. So something like that. It's so cute. It can go together with the black clothes, with red clothes. I like how it looks, with, of course, pink clothes, and pink color can go with probably everything, like every colors. I just adore pink color, and it goes mostly with everything. Also, what I will do now, I will take away several stuff. I will take away my card holder, and I will take away my powder. So basically another variant of fit things inside when I go out in the evening. If I want to take my small camera with me, I have this cutie of Sony's Cybershot. It's quite old, but sometimes when I have a small bag, I just want to use something small. It's even smaller than my telephone. Look, the comparison. Yeah, it's so cute. So I will try to fit it. So here is my telephone. Here is the card holder, the pink one, and the camera. Oops, like that. And we can close it. Yes, another way to dress this bag is if I make the stripes shorter, like that, and then if I close it, it becomes shorter. As a shorter, we can dress it like that on one shoulder. I think it's also quite cute. Why not? This is more like an evening style, and crossbody is more like a day style. I think both variants are really good. Just love it. But if I have my camera, then it's quite problematic to put something else inside, like maybe the lipstick only. Yeah, lipstick will go, but not so much. So I need to choose or a small camera or a powder. But mostly, actually, I don't have my telephone in the bag. My telephone is usually in my hands or in the pocket. So in this case, then I have a lot of space here, like that. If I don't have my telephone, then I can put the powder and the camera, like that, here. And it's very easy to lock it, like this. So as you see, this bag, it can include a lot of stuff. You need to choose, of course. Mostly in these small bags, you can usually like put one card, lipstick and telephone, and that's all what you need when you go in the evening somewhere. But in this quite soft leather bag, you can put a lot of stuff. Even you see, even the camera, even some other stuff. So I hope it will be really good for use. We're really nice for summer, and I will keep you informed about it later, maybe in months or two or several. Write me what you think about this cutie, if you like it. You can try to find somewhere maybe some discounts on them, because now it's discount time, summer sales, and I'm really happy with it. So just don't forget to subscribe, write me comments, and see you later. Bye bye.